4263 John, I'll be out with 1 at 4th and G.
4th and G, this works.
You done? No, you're not.
We had the full enforcement.
What? Yeah, okay.
All the way there on.
There's a dude right there in the corner. He's at a kitchen now, and he's acting crazy.
Where?
Over there.
Which guy? What's he wearing?
Homeless dude.
Stay here. Stay here. You're not free to leave.
Over there. In that corner.
On the far,
This corner right here.
is he walking which direction?
From here, he's not walking. He's just there if anybody passes by. Where that girl's walking to?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he just got a knife. He's like tweaking out or
Was he white guy, black
White
guy?
guy.
Okay. Old, young?
Old.
Okay, sitting on the corner or something like that?
Yeah, watch. The girl's gonna walk that way.
Okay. It's your lucky day. I got to go deal with the guy with the knife. All right? I need you to get out of the gas line. Okay? If I find you back here, I have to go deal with that. I'm going to take you away. Fair?
Office is right down the street.
Beat it.
Right at Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Yeah, go.
The girl went in the middle of the street.
Okay. Gotta go, man. I'll be right back. $42.63, John.
3263 now?
I just got flagged down regarding a older white male, corner of maybe 3rd and G, acting a little crazy in possession of a knife. And some pedestrians are going out in the street to get past him. So I'll be going that direction and checking.
Units that cover 3rd and G.
4291, go back.
4291, go back to the car.
$42.63, I am 97. Check.
4263 down to the car.
How you doing? San Diego Police. How you doing, partner? Everything all right? Sir?
What?
I got some.
I'm hungry.
I got some reports of you acting a little strange over here in possession of a knife.
I'm straight. I don't have a knife.
No, to have a knife?
Fuck.
Okay,
Do I look
that's
like
good.
I have a knife?
Well, I'm just
I'm
asking.
hungry.
Okay. Can you do me a favor?
What?
Can I get you to put the food down real quick?
No. I'm not eating.
Do you have a knife anywhere over in your property?
Maybe on the car.
Okay, why don't we stay away from the
Maybe
car?
on the
Can you
car.
come over here?
I don't know. Go look at me while I'm sitting over here.
There you go. Thank you.
Looking tired. I'm hungry. I don't have a knife. Right.
Okay, somebody said you were waving a knife around, acting crazy over here.
I'm waving my brains on. Yeah.
Is all this yours?
Sir, I had everything ready to go to get some food. And some guy drove by and hit my fucking car right there.
Okay.
Knocked it over again. Take your time.
4263, contacting Wayne does not appear to be armed at this point.
Back
He has
off.
food in his hands.
I'm eating.
Okay, do me a favor. I need you to go ahead and put that down.
What?
Okay?
No!
Come on. I'm not going to take it away from
Get
you.
away from me.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
Oh,
Back
don't go
off.
this way.
You make such a mess, sir.
He said somebody knocked his cart over. Hey, you got a knife in your back pocket. Do not grab that knife.
Jesus Christ, I didn't... Holy fuck! Oh my God! What was there, a taser gun? I didn't pull it on you.
Alright, hold on,
I
sir.
did
Sir.
it to you. Jesus Christ! Did you Did you see?
Okay, I don't know.
Oh my God.
Was he even hit? Yes.
Oh,
Roll medics for 50 or 60-year-old male.
I don't know.
Where's your knife at, sir?
What was that? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Put it down. He threw it down on the ground right here. He threw it on the ground. Knocked his cart over. Hey. Got a knife in your back pocket. Do not grab that knife.